Dear beloved Creator within and without, we gather to acknowledge our unity and our collective purpose. We know from deep within that it is up to each of us to hold a moral and ethical line when seeing it crossed. We ask for your protection, Creator, from all hostility and roadblocks that our humankind can live in the abundance and compassionate world you created. So now we are putting on the armor of God, for we know it is up to us. It is you, it is me, it is us. We are the ones who are taking this on and together because it is our calling to put a halt, a full stop, and then a correction to the harm that is coming at us, and especially at our children. They are the innocent ones. As their protectors, we can no longer be naive, passive, or uninformed. And so we gather our spirits in your name, Creator of all that is. Let it be so. So it is.
Thank you, Charlie.
Pleasure.
Hello, my name's Ron Vroman. I'm the old white man talking head for the Oregon Statewide Jural Assembly. I have a page here that's going to go quick and I'd like to read it. I thought you disliked me because me and my husband being attorneys. That was a feeling I got over the phone. I hope and even pray that we can work this out. We did not make this situation we are in. I think it's a good idea to meet it head on. Last man standing is not a friendly game. I am in this all the way, committed 100% since 2014. Yeah, I'm that guy. I have an original jurisdiction constitutional de jure provisional government on Oregon since November 2022. We did that. www.orsja.org, signed, sealed, stamped, witnessed, and proof of service. Our bona fides are published. It is absolutely correct that I say and write things to attorneys and about attorneys, members of the bar, the British Accreditation Registry, that make them not want to talk to me a second time. Matt, a second generation attorney, his dad was a hippie attorney, now retired, a Lewis and Clark grad in his 30s, a libertarian. He took the jab, the vax, and is following a natural path formula to reverse it. He works in real estate and such. He does not go to court. I was ragging him after a lunch about the facts in the attorney world. He said to me, when you get done insulting me about de facto, this is what he is, colon, de facto attorney that knows all the stuff I know. He agrees with almost every conclusion, but says the right to travel is not the same and the DMV have the authority to issue driver's licenses, but not the authority for a concealed carry permit. Yeah, he knows all about 13 Tona and the truth and about the amendments and the usurpation of DC and Salem and the fraud and the color of law. I can list a bunch of attorney explicit evil doing. That is what he does. De facto law and a de facto system. And when there is a de jure system, he will do de jure law in the de jure system. Good. If you are an attorney or a lawyer and not a member of the bar, BAR, or all caps bar, or capital BAR, in Pennsylvania, judges make the state's attorneys. The Oregon State Bar told me that new attorneys are made by them and they're given the choice of JD or Esquire. Therefore, the Oregon State Bar can confer a title of nobility. How can that be? In a constitutional Republican form of government, circa 1859, when we had original jurisdiction in Article 3, it can be that way because it is that way, de facto, but also illegal and illegitimate. There really is an active conspiracy. The industrial, military, judicial, legislative, executive, banker, bar, royalist, Nazi, communist, Muslim, Catholic, Khazarian, UN conspiracy complex, minus the Georgia Guidestones now, except on Oregon. That is some of what I know about attorney's oath. Members of a law firm with the 12 presumptions. We made a video on the 12 presumptions. I hope William can find it and put the note up. So if anybody wants to look at it, they can get that information from our website. Now I lost my place. They substitute the current 13th Amendment and are systematically removing all evidence from view of the existence of the 13th Amendment that was ratified in 1819. Congress declared the Bar Association to be communist. Attorneys wrote the attorneys' treaties of 1946 and 47. You can look it up. Just go it. Foreign Agents Registration Act, FARA. That applies to all bar attorneys. Gandhi was a bar attorney and a pedophile. We are constitutionally guaranteed unfettered right to counsel. All judges are bar attorneys with an attorney's oath to the bar. They are all members of the same club and with the same 12 presumptions. Attorneys never challenge a judge's jurisdiction or require bona fides. All Bar Association members come with fetters. They are not unfettered counsel. The active conspiracy has become malevolent. Let's suppose we have a posterity. The reality of the jab will become known by 2025. Some judge the population of 350 million will be reduced to 95 million men and women capable of self-determination. It seems we will have a huge population of injured and dependent people. We really need to return to a constitutional Republican form of government. Now would be good. Have you any rebuttal to our claim? You can call me at 503-641-8375, Ron Vroman, 38@gmail.com, or www.orsja.org. And I yield.
They do not want to let go of this. They do not intend on losing here. And we do not intend giving it back to them.
And then the bullets started flying. Then he jumps out of the car, and he's got both his hands up. And he got out of the car, and he had his hands in the air. He's like, just shoot me then. This is what you want, just shoot me. And they did. They shot him dead. With his hands in the air, and I saw it. I swear to God. He was just walking with his hands in the air. And they shot him. And they shot him dead, and then after he was down on the ground, shot him 3 more times.